Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I thought of sharing with you all a easy nude glam look for that, and to create that look I have used these products from Kiro Beauty, and you guys can see how the products roll on my skin and how the look has turned out. So if you want to know how to achieve this look for this Valentine's Day, make sure to watch the video till the end. And before moving on with the video, make sure you do subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell icon which is next to you so that you can get notifications whenever I'm gonna upload a new one. So without blabbering a lot, without wasting more time, let's get started. So this is my bare face and I'm gonna do my makeup off camera quickly, and here it is. And now first I'm going to use Kiro Super Butter Lip Lacquer infused with Murumuru and Kapaku butter in shade 02 Nude Nectar as my blush and also as my base for eyeshadow, and it blends like dream and it gives a glowy dewy finish. And on the top of that I'm going to use Kiro Beauty non-stop airy matte liquid lipstick infused with avocado oil and apricot oil in shade 20 Nude Lily. It's such a pretty pink tone nude shade and it also blends so nicely. And on the top of that I'm going to use Kiro Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick infused with vitamin C and mango seed oil, and in shade 04 Nude Pearl, such a brightening eyeshadow. And I'm just completing the look with some mascara and applying the lipstick also on my lips. And yeah, this is the final Nude Glam look for Valentine's Day. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also do share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.